Hi guys, my name is Kate and I'm going for a walk this beautiful spring sunny day, and I've been thinking, what does it take to be a successful investor? What qualities should you have? And I decided to record this video. So 9 qualities that a successful investor should have, in my opinion. First of all is being eager to learn something new, constantly develop yourself, develop your skills in investing, probably analyze different companies, find information, read news, read analytics, analyze by yourself. So you should be constantly learning, and preferably you should like this process because basically you need to work with a lot of information. The first one is desire to learn new things and work with information. Second is patience. Patience in the market is a key, I would say. Do not make impulsive orders. Being impulsive on the market can lead to making many mistakes. Being patient means that you're working on a position to go up and you see 1 or 2 red candles. So please do not jump right into closing your position. Perhaps you should wait a little bit, be patient, but here is not like be patient and sit still, do nothing. It's kind of combination of being patient and do not rush. You cannot panic in the market. Panic is really bad. You should trade when you're in a calm state. Sometimes you need to pull yourself together and probably wait a little bit until your emotions go away. And you should know that nobody is born with a giant amount of patience. This is like a muscle that you train in the gym. You should train your patience. Actually, you can practice at home with your loved ones, with your kids probably. Train your patience. It helps a lot. In traffic jams, sometimes with sweets, if you said to yourself that you should not eat much sweets. So train your patience. Patience equals foresight in the market. Okay, now I'm at the beautiful beach already. Went for a walk here. I hope you can hear me. It's kind of windy. So the next quality I would mark is being able to react quickly. So if something went wrong, first of all, at least try to figure out why it happened and what you should do. Maybe sometimes it's better to close a position. You should always be able to turn 180 degrees backwards and be able to change the position. The next one is being able to make decisions by yourself and do not be led by crowd. Here I would say it's important to understand and being able to know the difference between some hype news and really important information, and to analyze market, to analyze companies. And if everyone buys, you should make decision by yourself whether you should buy too, or probably it's a good time to sell. Like Warren Buffett always says, buy when everyone is scary and sell when the market is euphoric. The next quality, and the quality I would name like being able to control your emotions. Again, like with patience, emotions in the market is kind of bad. Do not go to market and trade while you're nervous, or probably you had a bad day at work, or you had a fight with your wife, or I don't know, well, you're tired. Don't trade or open orders while you're in this while you're in this state. You should be in a very stable state while you make orders. What else? Keep in mind such emotions as greediness and fear are the worst one in the market. As for being greedy, it's I think all investors experience it at a certain point of time. It's when your position goes up and you already gained the profit you wanted to, but you see that the position grows and of course you want a little bit more. It's not bad wanting more, yet the green monster, as everybody says about the greediness, can blind you, and sometimes you can lose your profit. And as for fear, I think you all know that I've already told it, like when you see one or two red candles, you get scared and you want to close your position immediately. The next one is mathematics. How well are you with numbers? It can sound silly or funny, but actually you need to know how to count. It's okay to count with calculator, yet you need to understand when to open and close your position, how to count percent of your profit or probably your potential loss. Even with calculator, it's good to do it quickly. The next quality I would name is discipline. A successful investor, of course, should be disciplined. If you're investing yourself, it means that you always need to keep track on your positions, especially on your open orders. It's not like you opened it once and look at it like half a year later. What's going on? Without discipline, again, you can lose money, especially if you trade options. Let's say options always closes on Fridays. And let's say you went to the restaurant with your friends, or you went out of the city and your option closed and you bought some contracts because you were not around your computer while your options was expiring. That's why good investor means disciplined investor. The next one is a delayed benefit. Being able to understand what is delayed benefit. I guess all the people that come to market understand it, yet you need to keep in mind that you will gain your profit and you will see your money in some period of time, somewhere later, not tomorrow, as I always say in my videos. Somewhere in future. Keep it in mind. Our brain works the way that it wants candy now, not one candy now, not 3 candies in a week. Or you want candy now, but if you go to the gym for like 2, 3, 4 months, you will have a better body. But in terms of food, you get it now, not later. That's why we want something that we can touch now. It's kind of difficult to understand sometimes what is delayed benefit, so keep it in mind. And the last one, it's not actually a quality, it's more like a fact. Again, it's going to our brain, how it works. Why do you need this? Why are you investing? What are you saving for? How much do you want to save in the end? Probably it's for your pension, for your retirement, but actually we don't want to live well only while we're retired. We want to live well now too. So do you have a plan? How much do you need for what needs? What do you want to have in life that this sum of money can give you? Think about these questions, please, and sometimes probably it's better to write it down. Again, this is the way we fix it somewhere here, and we know that it's real and we know that we need it. So that's it from me. These are my qualities, in my opinion, that a successful investor should develop. Please share in comments what qualities you already have and which one you should develop. We all are different and nobody can have all the qualities at once. It's okay we all need to practice patience and at the same time making decisions quickly. It's a journey, I would say. So please share and comment your opinion. I talked about 9 qualities in order for you to give me the 10th. So please leave in the comments what do you think is the last quality that a successful investor should have, and what do you have and what you don't. Thank you very much for watching this video. It was a new format I'm trying. How do you like it? Like this video, subscribe to our channel. We talk about investment and financial freedom here. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.